Welcome, beautiful souls, to a journey of healing and forgiveness. Today we're diving into the Ho'oponopono chant, a powerful Hawaiian mantra to release pain, restore peace, and awaken love within. Let's practice together. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Recite or listen to these 4 simple phrases of the Ho'oponopono and watch the magic unfold within. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Keep repeating this mantra daily while meditating, driving, or even before sleep. It's a tool to heal emotional wounds, manifest positivity, and transform your life. Thank you for joining this Ho'oponopono healing practice. Like, comment, and share this video to spread love and peace. Subscribe for more guided meditations and spiritual tools.